Hello, healers. Welcome to Heal with Ishita. So, let's see what is your advice. So, this is an advice reading, and if some question has been bothering you lately, and if you have been feeling stuck or something has been occupied in your mind, so this may be giving you some insight. Okay, also remember that this may or may not resonate with you since it's a general reading, so just take what resonates and always remember that you can create your own reality, and it's just a tool to help you gain some insight and just shift your energy and focus consciously. Okay, so let's see. Change and progress, season harvest, affirmation. Okay. Okay. Let's see what your tarot cards say. So this is a timeless reading, and you may this is a timeless reading, like whenever you like, if even if you come here after 10 years and this message kind of pulls you and resonates with you, so it's yours, otherwise it's not. Okay. Okay. So what I'm kind of seeing is you have went through a lot lately. You have been you really had a lot on your plate, like you had so many work going on or so many thoughts, random thoughts going on in your mind, and it just doesn't talk only about work. It also talks about different kind of options and different kind of things, so many things going on in your life, like something here happened, something another here on another sector, like a lot is happening recently with you, a lot is bothering you, and you're feeling like overwhelmed. You're feeling so overwhelmed with what you are going through, like even the thought of doing something is also overwhelming you. Or maybe this also talks about a lot of overwhelming emotions, suppressed emotions, and you're like, what should I do, what steps should I take? So this kind of situation has been bothering you lately, and you have not been getting clear communication or clear answers what you really need to do, and what you really need to progress. Okay, so change and progress card has came up. So this really advises you that the answers you are wanting is coming your way. With this Ace of Swords, you will gain a mental clarity very soon. The answers you are wanting will come real quick, real soon, and there will be a lot of change and progress, and you are going to accept it wholeheartedly. It doesn't seem that you will be unhappy or something. You will be happily accepting the change. Okay, and if you have been thinking lately, like which project you should take up and which way you should go, so like guides, angels, whoever you resonate with, universe is telling you that this change and this progress is happening for you and not to you. Like change sometimes may be scary, like there may be real wounds which you are carrying with you, but still you have to go with the flow, and change will happen if it's meant to happen. With these two cards, like you have had a lot on your plate. It may be emotional, it may be due to work, it may be something which has been bothering you recently, and you have been thinking like you have to give a lot. You were the one who always gave, and you had to carry a lot on your shoulder. You had to go through a lot, and you were feeling really heavy with all those responsibility and everything going around together and just messing with your life and thought process. You are not gaining mental clarity, so you will come out of this energy with these card. You'll come out of this, and you'll gradually so this clarifies here, this oracle card here and this tarot card here, this clarifies that yes, you are gonna progress and change for your highest good. So this will be good for you. Okay, this will be good for you. Just embrace it. Just go through what you're going through right now. I know it's tough. Change is tough, but if you have strength right now, because whenever you feel like giving up, just think that you have went through much bad times, and you will really gain justice. Okay, with the justice card, you will gain clarity, and what is for your highest good will come across. With the justice card, this is a confirmation from universe that if you have planted your seeds, and if you have done your karmas in a right way, if you have really worked hard for something, you will get that. If you have really wanted something badly, you will get that. If you have really manifested something, you will get that. Okay, if you have done at least one step towards your success will come towards you. Okay, path will choose you with the justice card. And if you have been worrying lately that where I am going, I don't know where I am going, but with the plant seeds, you have to take the first step. If you have been thinking of starting any project or new studies, higher studies, or anything, new hobby or anything going in your mind, buying a new home or making family, new relationship, you have to take the first step. With the plant seeds, it does not always mean that you have to go and plant seed on the ground for a plant to grow. It actually talks about your own ventures, your life, and anything which will really give you the fruits of your labor. It actually talks about giving fruits of your labor. So you have to take the first step. You have to plant the seed. You have to take the first action. Only then you will be able to get the success which you want. So if you have been worrying lately, so these are the guarantee that you will gain mental clarity very soon. Okay, and you have to work so the advice here is not to get overwhelmed, because you have to take short action steps. You have to plan your work. Suppose you are planning, for example, I'm giving, if take what resonates. Okay, suppose you're planning to do a huge work together, and the thought of working the whole thing at one night actually overwhelms you so much that you end up not doing anything at all. Okay, I think you're getting that. So you have to take actionable steps. Okay, so actually you will have to plant the seeds in order to create this beautiful garden. Okay, so just take short actionable steps so that you can create this lovely garden for yourself. And this garden actually talks about your own success, your ventures, and whatever you're trying to do. Even if in relationship as well, just take what resonates, because it will be specific for specific person. So if you have been worrying lately for some questions, so whatever I'm talking, just take what resonates, because it will not be same for everybody. It's not like generalized love reading or generalized career reading or generalized theme. It's just open to all, and it's just kind of a general advice, and it's a timeless thing, right? So sorry for the background noise. I really apologize in every single video because I stay in such a noisy area. So let's move on to it. Like Ace of Wands. So if you have been thinking lately like what I should do, so this the whole theme here, the advice talks about take the first step. Okay, you'll gain mental clarity. Just think, just calm down and just think what is the first step you need to do, right? And see, with this is also the advice card, because you have been worrying worrying lately so much. So, and you have so much on your plate, and you had to go through so much, you had to carry so much burdens. It may be work, it may be studies, or it may be just a mental stress. And people who go through mental illness or depression or anything, any disorder, or maybe anybody who is going through physical sickness as well, so just sending them a lot of love and healing. And so even if you're not working, you just always feel tired because there's so much going inside your head, so you feel just overwhelmed. So in that case, just take a day off and just hibernate, and just take rest, and just do some self-care. And sometimes self-care also means just taking a good nap, and just drinking more water, and just feeling a little bit at a peace with yourself, and just watching nature, and just gazing, and just being present, just living in the moment, because we are so much in hurry always. We just forget to live. So just living in the moment is also a huge amount of self-care. So once you just kind of retreat from the world within you, and just find yourself and embrace yourself, and just think what you should do, and take actionable steps without being overwhelmed, then gradually success will come up, gradually your beautiful garden will come up. Okay, so you will, and this is actually telling you that you will get what you are manifesting. You will get justice of your honest work, because whatever you give always comes back to you. Okay, so just be calm, just take a break, just live in the moment. Don't get overwhelmed. Things will work out for you. Take actionable steps. Break the huge task into small tasks, and just do one at a time. Create to-do lists if you have been not doing it. So that was all. I hope it helped, and just really let me know in the comments that if this advice readings are helping you, or did help you or not, because I have done this in a very different way, and I have used, you can use tarot in very like cards in a very very different ways. Like I have thought of doing it as life coaching advice as well, because you guys know I am a life coach as well. So I just tried doing things in a different way. So let me know if you guys resonated, and if you really liked, so I'll just post more for you. So thank you so much, bye. Have a really really great week ahead, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.